Yebo, yes, bafethu jaaka le bona ke ko mawatleng go di swimming pool ha morago ga ka ke latetse makhethe a mang tota e seng makhethenyana le khethe tota le khethe.
Yo, what up? What
Bona swega hle.
Hey, Gab City's boyfriend, aka Swaggy Sweezy baby, never had a baby.
O go di line tsa teng.
Hey.
So Latty kuka wa re ga votiwa a go tlhalosetse Motswana kwa lapeng o eleng gore ga itse go iragalang.
Yo, I've been awfully quiet ever since the beginning of this year, but yo, Gab City's boyfriend is still here. We got a whole new project called House of Fame. You know, a lot of Botswana have been shortlisted to be a part of. It's a reality TV series, and I want you guys to vote for me to be part of the house, because there's not only gonna be fun, but there's also a prize money, 100K
again.
100K. So ain't nobody deserves to take that money than Gab City's boyfriend. And how you do that is you vote for the boy. You SMS HOF, which stands for House of Fame. HOF number 205. HOF 205 to 16565. Each SMS costs only 2 pula.
$2 enyana hela so na Latty ke go bolela nnete later le tla re tshwarela ka ga gona sekgwa ka sekgwa se sentsi so mo bua malang ka comfortable le gore so na ke batla o e kontlonyele because ke bone mazothinyana ba tshela ba tsenya di video ba re ba vote wa bona go nna ke batla ga re se banyana ba le ha o tsena kwana wa bona gore ke batla duration mo tlung ke le baka le kae.
It's going to be, I think, 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
Banyana ba le ba 6 ke batla re. Kgwedi nngwe le nngwe o wa ka 2 wa bona.
Nna ke wa ka bone bothe.
Ka rialo, that's why ke yes. Yeah. Go ntse yalo. Ya no. Kana ga te landlord ke ska ene ke bone maloba nontso kana o rumela batho ba batona wena.
Yo, bro. I'm just there to get the 100K, dog. I'm not there to make friendships. The beef is real. It's fucking till the end of time. But we gotta, as creatives, we know when it comes to the money, when it comes to work, work is work. Fuck our personal beefs or vendettas. Yeah.
Yo. Go ntse alo moshimane na bua le ska di khango a ke itse seten na no ska ke landlord moshimane o kopa boroko mo ntlo a ke tse go a go nna ya but anyway vote later ga tlhabana vote Latty na hela ke le matla iframe basha ke nna ka malatetse late ke go mo kopa re kopa go irela video ena cause nna ke a go batla mo ntlong ele ro ha re se bananyana ba le cause nna ke a go itse ka le pondo o le
it's gonna be fun though, you know.
Ka ntse batho ba le jealous.
The busy man.
Ke tla go leletsa in 2 minutes.
Now, one thing I'm looking forward to, Ephraim, dog, is I hope they have a lot of alcohol in the house, a lot of weed. I mean, a lot of people are shy, but you know, the real self comes out when they get lit. And I also hope I don't find none of my exes or anybody I've fucked in the city, because Gabs is one big ass bedroom. So if at least 2/3 of the people, people I don't know, I'd be so much happy, because it's gonna make it more fun. I got the back level, you know, because Latty's so amazing and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? And I hope I wanna shower hour. Hey, busy man.
Mozadi, like what after 2 minutes of
I got back to home with shower hour. Hey, self-esteem.
We tatile ka selo.
Yo, too much. This is not the only long thing on my body, you know what I'm saying? I got yay, nigga.
Okay, guys, vote Latty.
HOF 205 to 16565.
Na khanyele gore ke batla le me votela gore ke batla bona re ene le ska ba go phidisana ya mo ntlong ele. Thank you.
Hey, never had a babe.